Hello, I had this old wooden box that was already painted. So I started off by putting some wax down and then going over the top of the wax with some cottage white paint. You'll see inside that I have some floral foam also ready to go because we're going to be stuffing this with some greenery and a candle and some berries and things. After I got the paint dried, I went ahead and scraped that off real good. And then I added some antiquing wax. And now I'm taking a little print from Decoupaged Central. I'm not sure that this particular one is still available, but I know there are some mini Santas that are available if you choose to do something like this. I got that Mod Podged on, and now I'm taking some candle holders that I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I am gluing them down to my box. I would suggest using a wood glue and not just hot glue on this, but since it was a quick project, I just used the hot glue. Then I'm taking some antiquing moss, or excuse me, Spanish moss, not antiquing moss, and gluing that down onto my floral foam. And now I'm taking a bunch of greenery and just sticking it inside the floral foam, letting it hang over the side of the box. And you could do this any color that you choose to. I just chose to do it with the red feet and the red Santa because I thought that was really pretty. But you could do it blues or greens or whatever color you choose. And now I'm taking the red berries and putting those in as well. And I found these candles that are kind of antiqued on Amazon that are battery operated, so I went ahead and put one of those in the middle. And then I added a bunch of pine cones as well. I kind of struggled with my candle here, but that's the finished look. Thanks for watching.